Davikas again. Today we want to look at a function which is very important most of for the data analysis guys, and this function is called clean function. The clean function removes non-printable characters from any text you pass to it. You can wrap the clean function with a trim function to remove unprintable characters and excess spaces at the same time. Sometimes when you pull out some data, you'll find that it comes with some unknown characters. But in our case here, it may not work well because there is a character which is well known. So the moment you put that in the using the formula, the trim function, then you wrap it to the clean function, then it will clean everything, including the unknown. This is now the part which is very important for data analysis. Before you do data analysis, you need to do data cleaning. Not this, you need to use the clean function in order to achieve your objective. Remember, if you have not followed me yet, you'll not be able to see this kind of tutorials and the function that we normally use as Excel tricks. So make sure you follow me. You can also find me anywhere, including the YouTube at Davikas.